Well, just when you thought it couldn't get any dumber, the MyPillow company, led by Mike Lindell, has countersued Dominion voting systems, seemingly in response to the Dominion suit against MyPillow for billions of dollars related to defamation. But here this is especially crazy because the crux of the MyPillow lawsuit is that Dominion, a private company, violated somehow MyPillow's First Amendment and 14th Amendment rights and violated Section 1983. That's not how any of this works. Just because a private company has been contracted by a government doesn't mean that private company is the government itself, whether they're operating Twitter or operating as a company that helps with voting. That's not how this works. That's not how any of this works. So apparently we'll see them in court for a very short time until this lawsuit is easily dismissed.